1, 2, 1, 2. We got some sound. Bobby. Okay, Bobby is here. How is everyone today? It's Friday. You guys are looking good. I'm looking good, I hope. And this stream is gonna be awesome. All right. Whoa, we should be fine. We should be fine, guys. Just checking all the over detail. We are live on Twitch. We are live on what are we live on? Okay, here. Okay, here we go. Happy Friday, everyone. Who is in the chat? Android, Vince, salut, Mike, Fred, Didic, Popolvar, how are you doing? Mike, Muriel, hello, hello, salut. Better break, bad edit. What is a GLF OS? Oh, okay, we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about the whole project. We're gonna go through it. You are French. The host is French. The OS is French, but you have to speak English. Yes. The channel is in English, guys, because that's the way I do things. Maybe it's a golf distro. Take your laptop golfing. Le geek débutant. It could be a golf distro, whatnot. Why not? You know? Speaking English is more difficult for me than install GLF OS. Nice. Salut Denis. Me right now reinstalling Windows with a custom ISO made myself and watching Papa. Enjoy the stream, dude. Salut Grumpy G. Kizzy Cat, good morning. How are you doing? Leonardo Cecconi, come stai? Salut Leonardo. The Canal Plus effect, yes. Epic Square. Good luck, fun OS. It could be that. It could be for that, dude. So GLF OS acronym stand for Gaming Linux France Operating System. GLF OS. Salut John. Marco Decino Jr. Good morning from Brazil. What's up, buddy? Vexi, good morning. Fantasia, hello, hello. Oh my gosh. Elix, what's up? Thank God, it's in English, or I would have never followed this channel. I know. I could try to do it in Italian, but I think it will be way worse than my English. And my English is pretty low level already. I'm doing fine, Muriel. What about you? Name last. I'm so interested in this project. I primarily used NixOS for gaming, and I want to see what they're doing. Got it. Well, listen. You're gonna know soon. So this is a system you have been speaking about to me on Discord? Yes, sir. So, parli italiana? Sì, un poco. Sono francese, però parlo un poco italiano. Hai giù capito? Hai giù capito, sorry, yeah. Because it's complicated. Dallas, how are you? Okay, so I think I got everyone here. I got everyone. Oh, la. All right, so let's discuss. Let's discuss what it's all about, and you're gonna understand. I'm gonna speak a little bit, and then we're gonna jump into it. Okay, chat. Il Papa che è anche italiano. Yeah, it's complicated. One day we'll talk about that too. I had multiple live, guys. So, let's start with the distro itself, okay, chat? Let's start with the distro itself. First, it's Friday, and we start with a good coffee. Cheers, everyone! Happy Friday! I hope you had a good week. I hope you're gonna be good. You know, this weekend you won't have to work too much. But today's Friday morning for me, and I hope we're gonna have a good time together. Okay. Salut Mirko, how are you, dude? I know a bit of French and a bit of Italian, PSG and Inter Milan. Mike, listen, I'm French, but I'm gonna be supporting Inter Milan tomorrow night. I'm telling you straight. Salut Cince. Forza Interi. Okay. I stop. Okay, let's go back to the subject, because we are flying in every direction here. Salut Gunnar, how are you doing, dude? Cheers with coffee with tea, nice. Salut Krishna. Well, I've worked 7-day night shift, so not a good Friday. Half sick on top of that. Oh no, buddy. Oh no, it's gonna be better, man. It's gonna be better. Salut Luke Shadik, what's up? I just got my Christmas present from back home. Who? Oh yeah? Air Max is international. I try. Salut Chris Ness. Traître à la patrie. Maybe, I don't know. Salut Wendez. Still arrive in time. What's up? I'm doing well, Gunnar. Thanks for asking. Salut Bnero. All right, so let me tell you, chat. Let me talk about the distro itself, okay? Salut Gayon Moose. Hola, buenas des España. Hola, ¿qué tal, Mickey? I don't know to speak Spanish. I don't even know what I'm saying. So, listen, dude. Here is a kick. Gaming Linux France is one, if not the biggest community speaking French. So French speaking, it's France, but it's more like French speaking, because French is like English. We have a lot of French speaker all across the globe. So less than English, less than Spanish, less than how do you say that, man, in English? There is a specific word. It's not Chinese, but you get the idea. So here is where we are, chat. They have the biggest community, okay? And they decided, after years of having a huge Discord, I think there are like 1,000 on the Discord. I've been part of it, okay? I'm still part of it. They decided to create their own distro. Okay, like this is what it's all about. So the project itself, I think, started like 7-8 months ago. And the vision of the distro, like we have some of the dev here. In the chat, I've seen Vince FF. Sometime we have Camille in the chat. They decided to create a distro which is gonna be like gaming oriented. okay? And when I say gaming oriented, it's a type of distro, you know, you put on your PC and you just install it and you game. I would say a little bit a la Basite, right? In terms of vision. The base of the distro is NixOS. And we'll get into it, why they made their choice and what are the pros and the cons related to that. And they have been like releasing alpha distribution for a really small committee of testers, which I had the chance to be part of, to see how, you know, it could be in the future. Okay, so I've been testing like alpha ISO. I've been exchanging with them. I take the time to make this video because I do believe in the project, okay? And I'm saying that, of course, like, you know, like they are in chat, but we had like Dev from Nobara, from CachyOS, from PKOS here in the chat. We had like we had Dev from Garuda. Like we have a lot of people coming in and out of this live stream. So obviously, like I'm friend with them too, but you know, like it won't change my approach towards the way I test that, and it won't change my approach toward like the vision of the distro if I believe it or not, right? This one I do believe in it. After, is it gonna, you know, it's gonna be like something that becomes solid? I don't know. So far, it seems pretty solid to me, but this is where we are at, kind of. Okay, so they decided this project, it was in alpha. There were a lot of like exchange between the group, a lot of exchange between me and them too regarding like the direction and what they want to achieve and, you know, what could be improved or not. But just, you know, from my standpoint, after they do what, obviously they do what they want. I discussed with Vince, I think it was 3 or 4 days ago. And he told me, we're going to release the beta the 4th of June. Okay, 4th. And today, I think we are the 30th of May, which means like in 4 days, the beta is going to be out. So it's still not ready. That's why it's a beta, right? Still, I think still needs some work. But I think it would be a good opportunity for you guys and, you know, everybody who are looking for this distro to see what is the experience out of the box, etc., etc. So this is what we're going to be doing today. Okay, chat? One thing I want to add too is related to the vision. I say I believe in their vision, but I also believe in the way they work. Okay? Everything is on their GitHub. They have a structure, in my opinion, which will lead them to success. Or at least success in a way that the distro is going to be built the way it should be. Right? Everything is open source. Everything is made by the rules. The organization is solid. Everything is transparent. And I kind of like that. Okay, chat. So this is the idea. Okay. So I got the ISO before everybody else. You're gonna have access to it in June, the 4th of June, so in like 4 days, kind of 3 days. And we're gonna try this baby. We're gonna install it bare metal. We don't do this Windows virtual machine stuff, right? We go all in. And I'm gonna play games. And I'm gonna see what is under the hood. And hopefully we are not going to break it. That's the whole idea, okay, chat? So this is the presentation. So the way they're gonna ship it. So let me get into it first. I'm gonna boot like that. We're gonna see what's going on. So can we see something here? No, not yet. So just give me 1 second. Okay, we should see something soon. We should be something soon. Salut Etoxy, what's up? Venicila, what's up, buddy? How are you doing? I will be installing and checking it out next Friday, then I think. I see if there is an OS for me or not. Like, I'm not so deep in the rabbit hole of CachyOS and Arch. Yeah, you should try it, man. We'll talk about what it brings, the vision, because right now I just make a big presentation, but we'll see what it's all about, okay? I installed the alpha in a VM, Steam, Discord, Lutris, Heroic, Vivaldi, Bitop, OpenRGB, install out of the box. Very sensible choice. Just add Goverly and Proton Plus, and it's Shift Kiss. Goverly and Proton Plus, okay. Salut Mitch. So what does it add differently than just a pre-made Nix config? We'll talk about that too. Does it have the Cachy kernel? We'll see that too. Salut Klotzi. What is GLF OS? Is it a gaming-oriented distro? Yes, it is. Okay, so let's go into it. First, I'm gonna show you what it's shipped for and what is it all about. Okay, so this look like GNOME. I found my cursor. Nice. You don't see everything, so give me 1 second. And I'm gonna take some note. Okay, chat. I'm gonna take some note. And I'm gonna give some feedback to them. So obviously it's in French. Everything is in French. It's so hard for me to see something in French, but I get it, chat. Okay, here we go. So this is a GNOME base for the installer launcher. And we have a Calamares installer here. Okay, so let me go through their website. Nope. English version, yes. Oh, we refuse that. Can we make it dark? Yes. All right. So go to English version. Yes. All right. So let's see. Like we're gonna see what it's all about. Okay, chat. Gaming Linux FR is the first French-speaking community dedicated to gaming on Linux. We regularly launch projects to improve Linux accessibility. Example, we have already worked on script for Arch Linux Architect, as well as application to facilitate software installation such as Easy Flatpak. I like the way we sell ourselves in French. It's very nice. Our community also perform audit exercises to highlight the Linux distribution that come closest to our ideal version. This vision is focused on newcomer, out-of-the-box installation, multimedia and gaming straight from the installation stage. So that's why I was mentioning Alabazite and chat. And it was by combining those two exercises that we had the idea of creating our own distribution. Was born. To deliver a stable, accessible, gaming-oriented operating system, it meets all the GLF specification. So this is interesting. So I've been behind the scene, right, on this one. They did an incredible job trying to define from, I would say, a scientific approach, which distro was the most adapted for a newcomer, like a totally newbie user, right? We had a lot of discussion around it and a lot of like exchange. And they come with a top, you know, like a classification based on fact, right? You will be surprised by the result. But the idea is that through all the criteria they put together, none of the distro was on paper successfully validating all the cases, right? So this is this attempt to validate everything through their own project. So the project is first and foremost a community project for Gaming Linux France, but it's also a challenge taken up by our community. Okay. Alors, the key point. GLFOS. Alright, we are done, chat. Thanks for watching. I can speak today. It's gonna be a rough one. I'm out. No, I'm kidding. So, what are the key points of the distro? Robust. So it's based on NixOS. Designed to be robust and reliable. Software isolated from the system, ensuring optimal security, blah, blah, blah. You can easily return to a previous version of your system. So, okay, that's a fair point. Someone asked in chat, what would it add towards you making your own, declarative configuration for NixOS? Okay. Well, it's like when you are using EndeavorOS or CachyOS, right? Someone else is doing it for you. That's simple as that. Can you transform Arch yourself into CachyOS? On paper, you can. But it's a lot of work. Thinking that you can do it by yourself is, in my opinion, don't take it bad for the one who are actually doing themselves, but it's a little bit ambitious. I would word it this way. You can do it. I'm not saying you can't, but So here it's NixOS based distro. They are going to be doing all the configuration, and what they provide you is a NixOS with your foot under the bed, like you are sleeping, you are doing nothing. You know what I mean, chat? It's a bad expression in French. Maybe it doesn't translate really well in English, but you're just here. You launch your PC, you install, you have nothing to do, right? The idea of it being robust is, based on the fact that NixOS by definition is robust. It's an operating system which is more designed for system administrator to deploy, right? So the idea here is that GLF OS is a system administrator and you have nothing to do, right? Are the dev French? Yes, most of them. But I'm pretty sure, if you're interested in the project, they have a GitHub page and you can go there and help. So it's not like a distro French for the French. I hope it won't be the case because it's going to be pretty limiting. But you see, like, they have their website translated in English. So I believe there is a real will to not stay Frenchy French, because it's something we do really well in French, like stay between French, which is, in my opinion, a big mistake, but that's another subject. So I don't think they're going to take this direction. Okay, so it's definitively more open towards the world, and that's the reason why they are doing it in English here. Gamer-oriented. So that's the second point. Designing to be compatible with any PC. The distribution includes everything you need for gaming. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so they have application pre-installed. Steam, Lutris, Heroic Game Launcher, and MongoDB. And what else? And configure to run at the same time as your favorite games so you can monitor your hardware performance like a pro. Okay, so this is for MongoDB. Okay, this is the little comma for MongoDB. Got it. Accessible. So I explain it why, based on GNOME and more desktop environment to come. So today we're going to be testing KDE, chat. I'm gonna speak about the way cheap, okay? But let's finish that. So accessible, again, like, it's a turnkey experience and made by our community. Voilà. Okay, so this is cool. Now, let's talk about what they provide. as I speak. It might change, okay? But this is what they provide right now. So XCar. Oh my. Okay, brother. My keyboard is in French. Good souvenir. All right. No problem. So, I continue the presentation, chat, like that you understand. So it's GLF OS. Okay. And it comes in like 2 flavors. Actually, no. But let's try. I'm gonna try to divide it, okay? Okay, let me rephrase. So it's GLF OS. This is the way I'm gonna divide it for you to understand the easiest way possible, okay? So, Bobby, please, focus. Okay, Bobby, good job. You have a stable version, okay? So here, like, the packages, they will be like following NixOS stable. Okay, that's the first point. Okay, and you have the rolling release. Okay, and here it's gonna be NixOS. I don't know the specific name. I don't know what they use there. Whatever names they use. Okay, NixOS beta or whatever. Rolling. I'll call it rolling. Okay, I don't know the correct names they give themselves there. So GLFOS is based on NixOS, and you have 2 flavors. Today we're gonna test the stable one. All right. When it comes to offer here, unstable. Voilà, unstable. Voilà, unstable. I hate that. Dude. I hate when they say rolling is not stable. Because he put something in the user head thinking it's gonna break every 10 minutes. And on our hand, we have been using Arch for like what? Like almost 5 years now or 4 years, and no problem. But anyways, you got the idea. Salut Aviar. Does it come with Ubisoft Launcher? Ubisoft Launcher, you can install it through Heroic Launcher browser. Lazy Senpai. Yo, last night I installed Garuda Mocha on my laptop to save it from Microsoft. It looked really cool. Hey, happy you enjoy it, brother. I believe they are both Heroic and Lutris. But we'll see. We'll go into it, okay, chat? So this is the base, okay? And now when you install, so during the install process, you're gonna have option, okay? And on the option, you're gonna have the DE option. And so far, it's GNOME and KDE. So you know we're gonna be testing KDE, chat, because GNOME, for me at least. But you have the option. If you're a GNOME lover, no problem. All right. And in terms of like apps, you know, application, you're gonna have, so if I'm just talking by memory here, you're gonna have the minimalistic approach. You're gonna have the like standard, aka gamer, right? So it's gonna be the standard one. Okay, we'll see during the install, okay, chat, what is the correct wording, but it's just to give you an idea of the structure of how the ISO is gonna ship. And then you're gonna have the content creator one. And in this one, you're gonna have like 2 options. You're gonna have DaVinci free, I think. And the other will be DaVinci paid. I think this is it, right? I might be wrong, but the idea is that you choose if you want to be rolling or stable. And when you are done with that, during the install, you go, you know, minimalistic with nothing, and then you are on your own. Gamer, and then you have all the pack to game. And over, which is like, or you can go content creator, and then you have everything related to work, right? Within like multimedia. This is the idea. Okay, chat? Wow, we have a GLF OS. So now what's next? MILF OS? Bro, it's GLF OS. It's not GLF. GLF OS, which means gritty loss for French outclassed South American Argentines. Hey, madman, you better be nice with this, okay? You are lucky we let you win this one, okay? Next one won't be the same story, broski. No, GLF OS is next. Okay, guys. Okay. Yeah, we have a bunch of Joker in chat. I like it. So you get the idea, okay, chat? This is the way it works. So you see, like here, you're gonna choose your edition. So let's install this beast, okay? Enough talk. Bobby, you can zoom out. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. So me, I want to speak English, please. So where are you? American English, yes, Papa. America. So here, I don't know why. If I'm in New York, but I'm in Toronto. Canadian English, yes. Number date will be set to Canadian. Yeah, let's see. Toronto, yes. Okay. So English US, here I have a international like layout. I'm used to that. So I'm gonna choose international with that key. No. So here I made a mistake. Darn. So this, I don't know why. So this is something I noticed, chat. In some distros, this thing is way higher than there. I can't explain why. Okay, so it's working. English, yes, next. Full name. Air Max Papa. My password that nobody knows. Require a strong password. No. No, use same password. Yes. All right. Environment. So here you see you choose GNOME or Plasma. Okay. Now this will be the GLF OS in my head. Oh no. MILF OS. When you install it, you are greeted with a very sexy MILF wallpaper. Guys, what the heck? Okay. We'll go with Plasma. What I'm gonna do with you? Man, I was so good in my presentation. I think the GLF OS team should hire me for all their communication chat. You know, I would be their PR guy, but I'm really expensive. I want to tell their boss like I'm really expensive. Like, yeah. I want to buy a Lambo. Okay, chat. A yellow Lambo with written GLF OS on the side. Or MILF OS, whatever you want, chat. Salut, madman. Bro, I'm really sorry your keys died. So we're gonna try all of them. I told them we're gonna try once and be happy, but we're gonna try more. I want to break stuff, okay? So here you have the studio in which you have. I like them put the little icon too, so you can game a little, you know. But then you have Caden Live, DaVinci, OBS, GIMP, Blender, dude, Blender. Salut Vintage Techie. But Big Papa is the password. Anyway, so you get the idea. We're gonna go standard, okay, chat? We're gonna go like standard, see if it's bloated. You know, because I know some of you are like, oh, it's bloated. I can install this on my SSD. Like it won't be pure anymore. So, okay, this is the one. The thing I noticed though is like you can't choose your system, huh, right? Like it's just ext4. So file system. So two things I noticed there. So French. Yeah. Okay. Second thing is related to the file system, chat. ext4 only. But you know, from their vision, it kind of work, right? Because a new user, he won't even know that what is a file system in general. They just want to install and go and be ready to go. So we're gonna erase the disk, Kingston, yes. Should be fine there. Okay. And here we go. So something I noticed, wait. It doesn't ask me what's the name of my PC, chat. Bon. Set flag to amorçage. Yeah, everything is in French. Oh well, let's go. Joe Forza, what's up? Will you check the config? Yeah, we can check the config. Hey, salut Siming, salut Ermax, salut à tous, hi everyone, sorry to be late. No worries, dude. Is the beta available for download? So the beta will be available for download the 4th of June, dude. Is it Wayland? Yes, it is Wayland. Joe Forza, look at this guy. What's up, bud? Vixie, $1,000 question. Does he have anything that the rest of the Linux distro doesn't have? I feel like Linux is Linux, but different name and theme. Here you're gonna have to go with Nix, right? So, you know, is it different? Everything is relative, right? To me, it's a Buzzite with a Nix OS engine, which is, in my opinion, way better than all the atomic stuff we have been like eating for the last like 2 years. But it's just personal, like it's just my vision there, right? It's just my taste. The second point, and we're gonna double check in the distro itself, in the configuration, is that the dev, they can literally fix your problem through the way this is set up. Okay? So if I understand correctly, like when you make an update, the configuration itself is gonna be loaded on GitHub, right? So if there is any issue related to the distro itself, it will be easy for them to fix it from GitHub and you to have the update next time. So I think this will be like for me like the key differentiator. Not like other distro could do it too, but here it's really aligned with the model of NixOS, right? Versus something like Arch where you can push config through packages like CacheOS does. But here it's literally what the main distro, like the base distro is made for. Salut Raphael. I won't lie, never heard of this one. Yeah, you never heard of this one because it's not out yet. You are living the dream, Forza. Good for you, brother. I think we are all. We're all living the dream, guys. So this 46% is an issue related to NixOS. There is nothing you can do about it. It's just the way it installed. You have to wait. It's gonna go from 46 to 100 in like 1 second. Okay? So I wish everything worked out of the box without even tinkering for Linux. That is the reason why I can't use Linux. You have distro which work out of the box, but it's limited, right? It's a little bit limited, but yes, you can have this experience, but you can't have both. If this is what you're asking, like having everything working out the box and then tinker, there is some distros that exist, but yeah, it's not for everyone. How Nix is compared to more normie distrib like Arch and Debbie? That's a good question. This we can talk later in the stream. But NixOS, in my opinion, and again, it's just my opinion, is gonna be the future Arch, kind of, you know? It's gonna be the future Arch. In terms of hype. That's what I believe. I always thought that. It's a really popular distro, but it needs some work, right? To get into, and their documentation is not the best. So that's why I think like the project itself is kind of like fixing issue related to that, right? Hear me out. Tried gaming on Temple OS? Man, I'm done with this. Oh, salut Cardiac. How are you, dude? Camille. So Camille is another dev from GLFOS. Hello from London. Have a great time with GLFOS. Yes, dude. I will. What's new, Cardiac? I will try the distro when I change my PC. Salut Ultimate GM. What is this distro? GLFOS, broski. NixOS still blow my mind to this day. Flex and Home Manager are game changers. I agree with that. Salut Reality, how are you doing? The key thing about Nix is that the whole state of the OS is in a G. What do you mean? Sensei, do you think an upgrade to a Ryzen 7900X for $320 is a good investment? I have no idea what are the price in Europe, bro. I don't know what are the price in Europe, dude. Can't help for that. 7900X. I don't know, man. It depends what you need to do with it, right? Like it's upgrading CPU, motherboard. It is really a tough one those days. Is NixOS for gamer? No, but GLFOS is for gamer. I can confirm the rolling version of this only has GNOME. Okay. So yeah, we have a specific guys. We have a specific ISO there. It's not released yet. Okay. We are doing some pre-testing here. So I hope it didn't burn my my bootloader. I don't think it does, but we'll see, chat. We are like beta tester right now. Everything can happen. Everything can happen, chat. And Venisila is already laughing. Now bootloader is still here, chat. Looking good. Okay, so it's based, you don't see it, but it's based on Grub. And they have the configuration in Grub to detect the other operating system, so you are fine. Everybody is going to be fine. Everybody calm down, we are fine. So, driver NVIDIA installed out of the box, chat. Out of the box. Is it going to launch? I tend to ask questions that no one wants to ask. I've been through most distro most of the time. I'm looking at the new wallpaper most of the time. Vexy, ask the question, please. We are here to answer. Oh. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. KG, you're looking so good when you work. Oh, yes. Show me the way, Big Papa. Keep. Alright. Everything is fine, chat. Oh, we got an update too? We got a notification for an update. Okay. So I just need to do that. It's always the same when I play with my fourth screen. With KG. Up. Voilà. Alright. So. I don't want mouse acceleration, thank you. Tac, tac, tac. Let's see the settings, because I don't want to be bothered by that when I speak to you guys. No, I don't want to sleep. Yeah. Don't care about the consumption, boys. Lock screen, none. Thanks. And no, we don't sleep, so up. Okay, perfect. Let's see the theme, because apparently theme is here. It's just a basic one, right? You don't have any BS. You have nothing. This is a basic. Okay. We're gonna go dark. Voila. And we should be fine. So if I go back to the display, I can tell I have the driver installed because I'm recognized at 144 Hz. Normally I don't. Let's see console real quick. GLF OS, yes. GLF fetch. All right. So this is GLF OS 2505. We are on the stable one, okay? So this is a kernel 6.12. Kwin. We are definitively on Wayland. Like that, you're gonna see what we are on right now. So KD Wayland 6.3.5. So it's not bad, dude. Like it's not, because you know when you say like stable, you are thinking about Debian, right? But this is a stable from NixOS, and I think it's every 6 months they do a big upgrade. So you're not far, dude. Salut team, how are you doing, dude? As a retired software engineer, I can assure you that anything that can go wrong will go wrong. That's a nice one, man. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So I would love to see you to install some packages like Zen Browser or something. Yeah, we'll do. Okay, I'm reading chat. We bench anything? No, we did nothing right now. Salut Varisk. So the install went well. We have the driver installed, okay? Driver version 570.1.44. So those are the latest one. Let me check. Yeah, okay, it open good. Oh, but you see, okay, so in terms of language, we are still in French. Production. No, so we are one level under, dude. Those are not the latest, chat. Okay, but we are unstable, so that makes sense too. So what feature does he have compared to a basic NixOS? So he has a full, like, think about it. If you do that, chat, if you install NixOS on your own, it won't be like that, right? I don't know if you already installed NixOS. It won't be the same experience at all. Even installing the driver on NixOS, well, you know, you have to do it. Here, everything is installed out of the box. All right, so this is really like what they try to sell here. Sell. Okay, so I'm gonna mount this disk. I'm gonna see if everything works as expected. Okay, so this is mounted, no problem. We're gonna go into .config. I'm gonna set up everything, chat. Give me 1 second. So I have my fast fetch, my pipe wire, and we're gonna have to mount my gaming drive. Okay, so I don't believe my bash script are going to work because we are using NixOS, chat. Okay. But all the rest should be working. So if I do that and I do fast fetch, yes, it is working as expected. So we have fast fetch on. Okay. Now we're gonna do a system ctl user restart wire plumber and then pipe wire. Like that, I'm gonna install the sound. Okay, my sound card. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna mount manually my drive. Okay, so sometime mounting drive on on NixOS is a pain, dude. But here, they have a tool, but we are not there yet. Let's do what I do usually, like that. Nobody is gonna get lost. Main. Here it's pro. Mic. This is off. Okay. And we're gonna do some tests. Are you ready, chat? Wait.
Front, left, front, right, front, right.
Yes.
Front, right.
It's better to use NixOS than this. You can do whatever, dude. So this is, listen, dude. So if you want to use Arch versus using EndeavourOS or CachyOS, right? But saying it's better, it doesn't mean anything. You know what I mean? If you want the experience like that out of the box, you go with GLFOS. If you want to do your own stuff, you do your own stuff, dude. Saying it's better or not better doesn't add to the communication between us, right? Okay, so this is done, chat. All right, so now let's see. So obviously he's gonna see my drive. Let's see the tools we have installed. Okay, chat. All the application. Arc, BTOP, okay. We have Discord pre-installed. Pretty cool. So Discord is already there. Gonna launch it just to see if it works. No problem. No problem, boys. So it's there, it works. So GLFOS environment selection, GLFOS Mongoed configuration. Look at those nice little icons. Nice. So I'm guessing here you can switch from KDE to GNOME. I'm gonna launch this stuff just for science. Yeah, okay. So you can switch. Let's say you're tired, you switch. Okay, that's fun. Kate, LibreOffice. So we have Lutris. Did I see Heroic? Heroic. Nix Disk Manager. Manage disk on NixOS. Okay, so this is this one. So let's see how this goes, chat. Welcome to the Nix Disk Manager. Here's the tools to mount your disk for the moment. More feature will be available in the future. So it's funny, you didn't brand this one. Didn't bring this one based on GLF. Alright, so we have a 4 terabyte here. Yes, so manage. I hope I can mount partition and just not the disk, but okay. So those are my partition. Good job. And this is the one I want to mount. Benchmark. Plus. And we're going to mount it in media bench. Wow. Supply. That's all? Save. The heck? Ha! This I like, chat. Okay, this is good. This is good, dude. Okay, this I like. This I like. So you need to save and you need to wait a little bit because it's rebuilding, but then it's done. So these are like very much that. So open RGB. So this could be a funny one. So we're gonna try it, dude. See if it's configured. Because you need to activate some stuff for it to work. But yes, it's there. It recognizes my RAM, it recognizes my graphic card, it recognizes everything, chat. And I didn't have the error message at launch, so it's good. So you have OpenRGB, really important for all the gamers out there. Steam. Yeah. Okay, so you don't have Proton Up Qt. We don't have Proton Up. Okay, so we don't have Proton Up Qt. All right, so let's run Steam. So that will mount automatically a startup? Yes. Salut Xero, how are you doing, dude? NixOS is a declarative system. Beginners don't need to use it out of the box. They have to learn. Who said that, Mizuki? Like, can you tell me? Can you tell me what the fuck says that? Okay, sorry, sorry, dude. I didn't want to be like that. Sorry. But this is a real question. Who said that? I try to be, you know, the nervous guy there. I hope it sounds very well. Sorry if I broke your ears, but you can thank Mizuki for his good tech. It should be done that way. So I want to know what the heck says that. Like, who is in charge here? Because I need to talk to this gentleman, like, real quick. Like, we need to talk to this dude. OpenRGB give me nightmare and gave me PTSD. Listen, broski. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, dude. I think it's just a hardware issue, DolTV. By the way, how are you doing today? What Linux distro would you recommend for the best out-of-the-box performance? React. I made a video about that. So, I'm gonna show you a trick, okay? I'm gonna show you a trick. Look at this. So, one important thing, chat. I want to say that I was able to launch Steam without having any error message. With the NVIDIA card, with everything loaded. I want to send a special shout out for all the Fedora lovers out there. Fedora 42. It worked out of the box. Okay? That's all I have to say, guys. I'm a little bit vicious, but I think it's well deserved. Xero, thank you very much for the dono. What's happening? On pressure meds now, otherwise good. For the GLF team, love. Thank you very much for the $2 donations, Xero. Much appreciated. Okay? Much appreciated, dude. Is there a nice tool like that NixOS did manager to easily mount partition on CacheOS? That's a good question, Mr. DV8R. I have no idea. If I show you how I mount my drive, I will be really ashamed of the way I mount my drive, dude. Because I do it through terminal, and yes, it's not nice, but it's really convenient, dude. For me. But I understand, like, this is way better. Like, from a new user perspective, this is what you want. You want a little UI, you see your drive, you click, you see the partition, you say plus, you choose the mount point, and you're out. Like, this is literally what you want. Bobby, Tu vas t'arrêter maintenant. Okay. So, this is working, chat. All right. So let me go in the configuration and set up everything. So I'm not showing you that, chat, but I'm just setting it up to see my hard drive I just mounted. Okay. Okay, and I just noticed something. So Proton GE is pre-installed. Proton GE is in it out of the box, chat. We're gonna have to cover that too, because this is important in my opinion. I'm gonna add the drive, see if it works. So we put it in Media, Games, Steam. It works, chat. Oh, chat. Dude. Oh, do you hear the little sound too? It means like it clicked. Oh boy. Okay, so I'm restarting, chat. So I was asking about Proton Up Qt, but my guess is like they decided to go with Proton GE and maybe let you the option to install like Proton Up Qt by yourself. So let's launch Steam again, please. All right, so it's on. And here, okay, we're gonna download all this thing. Cool. And yes, my game are here. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna bench, to chat. We're gonna have to bench. Again, we won't be too rough on it. I won't be giving a full review of this because I'm waiting for the release, chat. Like this is a beta, right? Like we are literally like participating into their dev. So this is how you wanna see it, okay? All right, we did have an upgrade. So here the question I have is like, how do I know if I need to upgrade? So you see, if you were using a conventional distro, I'm gonna show you how you will do it. Okay, so let's say you're on Debian, you made an update, but you don't know if you need to reboot or not. So you need to go on ls var run here, and here you should have a file which is gonna be created telling you reboot required or not. Okay, this is how you do on server. You do a big upgrade, and you don't really know, right, if you need to reboot or not, because there are some packages and you don't know, right? So this is how you should do it. Here, there is apparently no need to reboot, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna still reboot, chat. Okay, we're gonna test if the drive auto-mounts itself. Okay, we're gonna try if Steam is still working. Fedora 42, we love you. And we'll see. Okay, chat. So this is the approach. Okay, friends. So let's restart. So I don't need to reboot. I'm gonna do it just for the sake of it. Okay. So, Vince, if there is a requirement to reboot, is it gonna be here? Check out Warp or Wave Terminal. They have AI built in, and for Linux is amazing. Is it? Never heard about those terminal emulator. La distribution a l'air très cool. Nice. Distribution looks really fun. Oh man, this is too big, dude. Okay, this is me, chat. This is too big. We don't need this thing. We need it smaller. Small is beautiful. If you need a reboot, normally you get a pop-up. Ah, voilà, this is what I want you to hear. So you will see, like, it's a discrete theming, right? I have a little wallpaper. Everything is like, you know, simple KD. There is some little detail on the icon, but it's not too intrusive. I like this vision, chat. Me, I like when it's simplistic, when you can do whatever you want. But here we are. If you have error building source file while in warp, it will build it for you and fix any error within the build file. Does GLF OS come with patch package like the kernel, etc. for gaming? So that's a good question. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so he booted well. Let's see how fast it goes to launch Firefox. Okay. So how do we... So first question, guys. How do we install package... Like, what is the package manager, chat? Like, how do we install stuff? Like, let's say I'm a newbie and I want to install something else. Easy Flatpak. Okay, this is the one, chat. This is the one. Okay. So here, their vision for the distro is that they build the base. One need to be native, stay native. And on top of that, you have the Flatpak. Correct? Salut Davius. What's up? Small is beautiful. That was, she did not say. Warp the terminals that require an account. Okay, so no thanks. Okay. No thanks, dude. Okay, so we have easy Flatpak to manage. So this will be the package manager for the Flatpak, right? Okay. So what Flatpak are installed? So I guess it's like that. Easy Flatpak, Mesa, and NVIDIA. Okay, fair. Oh my god, like my eyes, dude. Thanks. Okay, let's go back. So here we have easy Flatpak. So this is our application to manage the Flatpak. I think this was made by a member of the community, right? So what do we want to install, chat? Allez, GIMP. Add to cart. Dude, I'm shopping on FlatHub. Oh, because you can pack them up like that. Okay, that's fine. Allez, install. Oh, okay, it's just, yeah, it's a free shop. Okay, not bad. Installation complete. Nice. Okay, so you get the idea, right? Like, this is a distro, you set it and you forget. LACT. Install scope. What is scope? Well, anyways, I don't want to play too much with that. Let's do some bench chat. Well, it works, huh? Just like everything is there. I'm a total noob with Nix. Okay, chat. I tried it. It's not for me. Okay. We could maybe do a series on Nix, but like the base of Nix is not for me. I understand why it's so good, but it's not for me. Right? Like let's be clear. But I still believe that the base itself is what counts, right? And because they do the job themselves, this is cool. So let me check something, chat. So the way it's set up, you go normally. Okay. You go in /etc nix, something like that, if I remember correctly. Okay, and here you're gonna have all the conf. So it's not there. So I'm guess maybe it's here. NixOS, I guess. Yes, it's here. Okay, so here you can see all the configuration. So cat configuration. US International, so you did well. So this is the output, like giving me the model of my card. And this is the 2/1. So let's see custom config. Add your stable app here. Okay. Add your unstable app here. Okay, so this is simple as that, right? If I want to add app, I'm going to have to install them there. So here he added the disk. So this is what he does, right? The GUI, he had this. So this is my disk. That's actually pretty nice, man. Okay, so this is related to my hardware. And what about the flake? So yes, you see, the input is going to be directly on the GitHub. So I'm guessing he pulled the whole configuration from GitHub, right? And that's why I think this OS can be like really strong in that way, right, chat? Because they build a structure where everything is open, it's on their GitHub, and whatever is going on, the feedback they have, they can modify it and push it to all the users out there. I think this is cool. Like, this is actually really, really cool, chat. Okay, yeah, that's all. Simple as that, chat. This is pretty nice, no? Yeah, exactly. Here you only see your local conf, and all the GLF conf is on GitHub. And GLFOS drive is by the GitHub thanks to the flake. Yeah. Oh, Jack! Comment il va, Jack? What's up, Jack? What's up, my man? How are you doing, dude? Hey, come see us on YouTube. Come see us on YouTube, dude. My man! How are you doing? Happy to see you, man. Jack is an old friend of mine. My man! Okay, so this is how it works, okay, chat? So let's game, dude. Let's game. We talk. I'm tired of talking, dude. Now we play. Are the game going to launch? Spoiler alert, they will. Continue. Okay, so Mango HUD is on by default. Okay, let's take some bets, chat. Are we gonna get pants or no pants? Oh, doesn't look like it's launching, chat. Doesn't look like it's launching. So this is a native game. This is a native game, chat. I think we have a problem. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna block it. I'm gonna restart it, okay? Chat, what's happening? Okay, so it seems like Tomb Raider is not launching. For whatever reason, dude. So it's NixOS with Flex on by default and Flex with out-of-the-box support for gaming. Yes. So let me check something real quick. I'm wondering if it's an issue permission, the way you mount the drive. Because you see the group is 1000. And I'm guessing, yeah, you see, he create a user, but he put it at 100 and not 1000. This is odd. It has nothing to do with Proton, it's something else. So let's try something else. Let's see another one, see if it launch. That would be my guess. Okay, this one launched right off the bat. I'm gonna verify the installation just to be sure, chat. I confirm, Shadow of the Tomb Raider doesn't work with beta. Yeah, you don't need to be sorry, dude. It's a beta, right? So we know stuff are going to work, stuff are not going to work, right, chat? So this is the old kernel, right? We are at 6.15. This is a 6.12 kernel. but he has all the nice patches on paper. So we should have like a decent experience. But before getting into like, hey, we are like 10% higher, 10% lower or whatever, I want to make sure that everything works first. Then we can go into like the real optimization. But like the base is like we need the game to launch and work, right? Native game on NixOS is not really a thing a lot of the time. There is a lot of reported issue like this online. Even things like Half-Life 2 doesn't even launch without weird hack. Proton it is. Okay, so you have to force Proton to make it work on NixOS. Some library stuff that's way beyond me. Okay, Atimo, I didn't know about that. Okay, so this run. So I guess it's gonna be a hit or miss, maybe? On NixOS. For those game. The good news is that you can force Proton, right? And launch it if you want. But we won't do that today. Okay, the idea was just to get the bench. And because we don't bench with Proton, the bench wouldn't make sense. So let's launch Cyberpunk. I just force Proton on everything when I game on NixOS. Not ideal, but it works. So there is something I wanted to show you guys. If you go there and you go on property, compatibility, Proton GE is ready out of the box. It's there, chat. Okay. So we're gonna be using Proton GE for this one. Let's go! First we're gonna do a little test drive. See how we feel about this all things.
Hello, Ziggy. Thanks for having me.
I hope you made it to the studio without any issues. No carjacking.
420 FPS. Oh, because this is the average. Oh man, this is so okay. 180. Dude, I don't do average. That's why I was like, what the heck is this? Okay, yeah. 190 seems better. Okay, game is working. Bench it is. So here we get normally like 200 FPS, 202, 198, something like that. And the minimal are around like 169. Salut Airmax, how do I install Proton Cache OS for Ubuntu? I don't think you can. I don't think you can. Maybe check with Proton Up Qt. If you can. I don't know if they package it outside of Cache OS, dude. Do you have Helldiver 2, Air Max? No, I don't. I do not, Vixie. I didn't buy it. Okay, so we are at 189 and 160. So here, we are a little bit under, okay, chat? We are a little bit under. 189 to 200. It's gonna be 10 FPS. It's 5% less, chat. 5% less. Knowing that we are on a beta and we are on the stable version, right? So older driver, older kernel. So 5% less. Proton Plus has it? Okay, so Proton Plus, dude. Here you go. So when they build it, so just to my defense on this one, when they build for the first time, I remember like Proton Cache OS, it was limited to Cache OS because of the library native they were running on the distro. So now I guess they repackage it. Interesting. I was going to try out this OS, but I'm worried the Nix Mafia might come around and put a severed penguin head in my bed. What? Why are you saying that, Mike? What is this Nix OS Mafia? What is this Nix OS Mafia you're talking about? Okay, so the game they launch. Oh, this is the game I want to play today. We're gonna be playing this game. So you understand the concept, right? Like it's just an OS, you put it, you install it, but and you play and you do whatever you want. But your base is Nix OS. This is the cell here. This is the story, okay? That's as simple as that. I don't know how to word it, dude. It just works. I think the issue here for Shadow of the Tomb Raider is the fact it's native. They're gonna have to maybe work on that or see if it's a Nix OS problem. But this is what you get, right? This is what you get. This is the promise. Me, listen, if I had to choose between this and Buzzite, I will choose this 100% of the time. But this is my personal preference, right? Because you are kind of like in the land of the immutable, but you don't have like the complexity related to the atomic system from Fedora, right? Yeah, it is Nix OS. It's just this little in between, right? So you are robust, but you don't have like this headache you could have with Buzzite. That will be my positioning right now, right? In terms of performance, I think we need to give it a fair try when it's released. I think we need to try the rolling release because like the stable, like it's not fair, right? I understand some users they want stable. I get it, but for gaming, rolling release it is point. I don't want to give up 5% of my perf. End of story, dude. So right now, like you know, I say I don't care because you know I have 500 FPS anyways, but. Okay, so max here, everything too high. Performance, no frame generation. All right. Audio, we're gonna put the sound just a tad higher, chat, because I think like this is not high enough. Okay, let's play some games. We don't talk about the mafia. We don't exist. I mean, they don't exist. I got it a few days ago. I did not think it was a game for me. Snipe the game cheaper than Steam. It's really fun. I enjoyed it. Really, Vexy? The one who said I need to learn Linux OS before I could use it. Yeah. Man, like I'm gonna be straight. I was aggressive to this guy. I hope he's not coming back. I hate this attitude, chat. Like, if we keep it like elitist, for the people, like, you know, if you want to use Arch, you should learn how to use Arch and not install something else. Like, I'm just gonna be straight. Like, I'm gonna say it. Like, fuck off. Sorry, I'm getting a little bit French there. Forgive my French. I think this is the right way to say it. Like, but just fuck off. Like, everybody like can learn as they want to learn. There is no way to do it. Stop like parking people where they don't need to be parked. That's all. So again, like, forgive my French, chat. Air Max has to go with the French distro over Bazite, otherwise he can never go visit France again. It's not that, dude. I have a personal problem with Bazite. I can't say Bazite is bad. Like, it's not bad. It's just me. If I had to choose, I wouldn't choose it, right? Because of the limitation he has. I think Nix OS, like, fulfill more of my needs, right?
3, 2, 1. Round 1.
Okay, you got this. Score the most kills to win the match. They're in the lead. Let's get it back.
Guardian Angel.
We pulled into the lead.
Like, he didn't even kill him? Like, what the heck is going on? No, he blew me, dude. Come on. Why would you do that to me? Down again! He killed himself too! What a newbie!
Nice job.
Where's the bad guy? Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa! Watch, watch. I love this game, chat. So I don't know if you played this game. This game is actually fun, okay? Like, we're gonna do a review soon. Nice shot. We're gonna do a review soon. Okay, I need to stop. I need to stop like fooling around, chat.
5 kills to go.
We're almost there. You got this.
I need to stop fooling around.
3 points to go.
Okay, okay, okay. Only at 4 kills? What am I doing?
Round lost.
Okay, okay. I need to go serious, dude.
No big deal. We got this.
So what's the name of this game? This game is Split. What's the name? Splitgate 2. It was not compatible 2 days ago on Linux, but now they made the change and now it's compatible. Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2.
Taking the lead.
Avenger.
Yeah, come on.
New power weapon in the arena. Payback. Avenger.
There is no...
Way to winning.
So there is no objective, so they are just camping, right? And playing with the door.
3 minutes remaining.
You see, he's just staying behind the door, the guy. So we're gonna lock him up. Wanna play the same, chat? Yeah, sure.
Scoring limit. We have to stop them.
Ah, so this game is free, 200.
Payback. 2 minutes to
Get good, broski.
round lost.
Damn. Did you...
Lock in. Give everything you've got this round.
Am I the only person who prefer disabling voice in FPS?
5,
Pardon my French, fuck off.
1. Match point. Kickoff. Guardian Angel.
We've taken the lead. Keep it up. They've taken the lead.
Damn, nice play from them, nice play. Okay, I'm going back at it, chat.
Weapon in the arena.
I think I'm gonna have to change my mouse, maybe. Nice shot.
Payback.
Oh, you don't have a door anymore. Oh, it feels so bad, dude.
The other team has winning. No more easy death.
What?
That was close.
Oh, I was not close. I'm a machine, dude. No. Get good, dude. Get good.
Closing in on the scoring limit. Let's rally.
Down. Oh.
3 kills to go.
Where's this guy? Where's this guy shooting from? Come on, come on, come on. I need to heal, dude. The heck?
Falling behind.
You see that?
Turn this around.
What a loser! Like what?
Round 1.
Yes! Yes! We own them, chat. We are back.
We pulled into the lead.
Get good, get break it. Ah, okay, man. Okay, man. Okay. Fizzy, how are you doing?
5, 4, 3.
What? Guys, do you hear me? The sound straight up stopped working. The heck? Okay, it's back. The heck was that, chat? Get good.
Weapon in the arena.
Get good, dude. I close all their door. Okay, now we speak, dude. Where are they? Where are they?
3 minutes remaining.
Nah, I don't think so, over there.
We're halfway to the score threshold.
Nah, I don't think so, dude. Now we speak. Now I'm warmed up, dude. Yeah, something is odd with the sound. Something is really odd with the sound, chat. I don't know why he stopped. How? Finish him! He's 1 HP!
Five kills to go.
We're approaching the score limit. Let's finish strong.
3 points to go.
No!
Round one.
Yes! We win, papa!
We're tied now. Let's finish this.
Yeah, Bobby, look at me. Look who is the boss here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Respawns disabled.
No reason
Whoa, 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 whoa!
tiebreaker round. So try your best not to die, okay?
I froze the game, chat. It's on me. I froze the game, chat. Oh! Bro, don't ever do that again, dude.
New power weapon in the arena.
Yes!
Game
lost!
over.
And that's the match. Don't worry, you'll get him next time.
It's my fault, chat. GG, GG. We hear you, but not the game? Oh, you should be hearing the game, dude. Try Stalker. We already made a full stream about Stalker, bro. It is working. Yeah, let's do another one. Today, guys, I'm gonna be testing like Heroic after, and we're gonna play another game. So tomorrow, I already made the video. Tomorrow is gonna be a video about Battlefront 2, okay? Star Wars Battlefront 2 is like popping out of this world those days, and the good news is like it's working right now on Linux. But I don't know for how long, to be fair. So it means the new original trilogy that was released? What? There is a new release of Stalker? I didn't know about that. Air Max, do you have an HDR monitor? Yes. And do you use it? No, I don't use it. I don't use my HDR monitor for streaming because it's too complicated to stream in HDR. Okay, let's destroy this game, chat. The original 3 games have been enhanced and released. Oh, got it. Okay. Okay, I didn't know about that. Are you checking out Dune that release in a week? No. I've seen some YouTuber like looking at Dune, and I don't know, I'm not really into that those days. I think right now what is popping, if you like to play multiplayer, is Battlefront 2.
Firecracker.
I had a ton of fun, man. Like, it has been a long time. I didn't launch a game, and I play for that long.
2, 1.
Like, I was literally having a blast, chat.
Time to go out there and show what you got. Smash it. Offense tries to plant the firecracker, and defense tries to stop it.
What happened there? I'm so confused.
weapon in the arena.
Oh, 1 HP again, the guy. Damn, good job, bro.
One minute remaining. Payback.
So... So where is
Double kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Heating up.
where is the thing we need to
10 seconds.
plant? We need to plant something, I believe.
Round one.
That's a win for the round.
Oh, we won? Okay. Now we'll take it. I'm not sure I'm in that bot either. My best friend is all over it, and I think this will be his main game.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round two.
We're on offense this round. We passed the firecracker.
Firecracker slain.
I'm gonna have to put my other mouse, chat.
Firecracker in the ground.
Firecracker planted. Let's hold the zone.
New power weapon in the arena. Double kill. Guardian Angel. Payback. Offensive. Double kill. Heating up.
Oh, I'm so far.
You won the round.
We did it, boys.
Stay sharp.
So I kind of like those missions better when you have like to fight each other with an actual goal. I think it's it's funnier. I'm gonna try with this weapon, chat.
4, 3, 2, 1. Match point.
We're defense again this round. Lock it down.
Double kill. That was close. Avenger. New power weapon in the arena. Heating up. Guardian.
Sound is getting out again. I think there is a problem with the sound too on this distro. Like this need to be worked on. Doesn't make sense. The heck is this? Oh!
Double kill. Heating up. Seconds left. Victorious.
Brilliant performance, mate. That's how you do it. Nice work.
Oh, you had the same problem, Vexy? Did you miss a step when enabling Pack Warrior? No, I did not. That's odd. I've been playing this game for a long time on Kashi. I didn't have that. I'm just gonna make sure I force Proton G. It's just odd, chat. Okay, so this is fair. Hey, salut Tsul Kalou. How is the distro? The distro is not bad. Okay, it's still a beta, right? It's still a beta. I'm just like, you know, playing with it like that right now. But yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Next move we're gonna do is going to be Battlefront. I want to play Battlefront, chat. I'm so hyped, and I know that the editor or the publisher, they are going to push maybe a kernel anti-cheat, and we're gonna get stuck, dude. We're gonna get stuck. We won't be able to play it on Linux, so I want to take advantage of it and play it now. Salut Skullfrag. No, what we are doing it. I'm gonna check my settings. Darn. Deathmatch. Darn. Deathmatch, dude. Okay. Let's see the settings real quick. Aim assist. So someone was asked crossplay. Yeah, you can disable crossplay. You can disable crossplay, dude.
For team deathmatch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1.
Let's bring home the victory. Get the most kills to bring home the win. We've fallen behind. Let's turn this around.
Man, you know what I would like is like customize my my input. Maybe it would be good. The heck do I do that?
New power weapon in the arena.
Customize control. Here we go. So I want create portal, switch, close portal. Yeah, I want this there. And I want
Halfway there.
melee. I want it there. Yeah,
3
that's all.
minutes remaining.
Closing in on the scoring limit. Let's rally.
Still got him.
Round locked.
Lost that.
What graphic are those?
Deal.
This is the
We got
max.
this.
This is the max settings. Everything to the max. Battlefront 2, is that a old game? Dude, this is a 10, like, I think it's almost 10 years old. But somehow, everybody is playing it again.
4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2.
They've taken the lead.
No, how do I miss that? It's my fault, chat.
New power weapon in the arena.
Your opponent is halfway to the
There were
scoring
two, like, they
threshold.
play way better than us, because they're always together, right? He's not dead?
We are so back.
They're close to the scoring limit. We have to stop them.
Round locked.
Time to step up. Win this
Probably
next
playing
round.
it again because Andor has just
Alive.
been on Disney Plus. Yeah, I saw the game, I was thinking to get it. I like the theme of it, Iceland, laser and big battles. Yeah. Sorry, I have to leave. Hey, no worries, Vince. Have a good one, dude. Yeah, I don't need to thank me.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Have a good weekend, buddy.
1. Match point.
We've fallen behind. Let's
I'm
turn
gonna
this
take
around.
another gun, chat. I think. 'Cause both!
New power weapon in the arena.
The heck, bro? Okay, let's see the loadout.
3 minutes remaining.
Oh!
That was close.
They call me the machine, dude. Team, you are going to? Broski, have a good one, buddy.
They're closing in
Have
on
a great
the wing.
weekend,
Don't
Chip.
let them get there.
Payback.
Payback.
2 minutes remaining. Double kill. Guardian Angel.
I'm trying my best, dude, but... Bon.
Defeated.
Take it off. Great players bounce back stronger.
GG. GG, they played well, chat. They played better. All distro with refined bootloader is a no-no now. I found out that an update make it hijack EFI, even cache OS. Listen, guys. Grub works very good. It's not fancy, but for the time you actually see the bootloader in your life, it does the job, right? So now question, will the Proton Cache OS work on the Snap Steam? Yes, but why would you use Snap Steam? Like, we proved that it's a mess. Don't use it. Oh, speedball. Okay, so here I might be able to use my SMG chat. Oh, we got the grip. Recoil or range? Yeah, I don't need about recoil. Barrel extension. Oh, yes.
Split ball.
Yeah. Okay, let's go, chat. So here I have to grab the ball and bring it back, okay?
2, 1. Round 1.
Time to go out there and show what you've got. Smash it. Bring split balls to the base and score while defending your base from enemies.
Avenger. New ball active.
Your teammate has a split ball. Let's assist.
That's 1.
Enemy just stole a ball from your base.
New power weapon in the arena.
Your teammate just got a split ball. Let's make the next one ours.
Heating up. New ball active.
Okay, I need to step up. Dude, telling you, like the way I play right now, I play like a grandpa. I need to really step up my game. I can do it, right?
Teammate just picked up a ball.
That's 1. Payback.
They just stole one from our base.
Double kill.
I play too slow, chat.
Teammate just got a split ball.
New split ball in play now.
They're up 1. Let's respond.
Nice play from this guy.
Our opponent has 2 points. Watch out.
I couldn't use my...
Your teammate has a split ball. Let's assist.
New ball active.
Enemy team has 2 points.
That's 1.
We scored. Let's keep up the momentum. Teammate just picked up a ball. The enemy just stole a ball from your base.
Okay, time to wake up, chat. Commentator, what's up? Long day, I don't write to you. What do you think about VM with single GPU pass-through? Nah. Why would you do that?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2. Ball active.
Teammate just picked up a ball.
Salut Kobouz.
New power weapon in the arena.
Damn, I didn't hear him. I heard nothing.
Your teammate has a split ball. Let's assist. Scored. Let's make the next one ours.
Guardian Angel.
Your teammate just got a split ball.
Double kill. New split ball in play now.
They scored. Let's make the next one ours. Opponent has 2 points. Watch out. Your teammate just got a split ball.
Payback. Avenger. Double kill. New ball active.
Teammate just picked up a ball.
That's 1.
We're on the board. Let's get another.
2.
Oh.
We're at 2 points. Your teammate has a split ball. Let's assist.
Avenger.
They just stole one from our base.
Is it like one of the guys just sleeping in our team, no?
We're on the board. Let's get another.
New split ball in play now. Payback.
Your teammate just got a split
I'm
ball.
fighting like a lion, dude.
They scored. Don't let them pull ahead. Heads up, opposing team has 2. They're at 2, looking strong. They just stole one from our base.
Double kill.
Heads up, opposing team has 2. We're at 2, looking strong.
He switched my... So there is a weapon on the ground.
New split ball in play now.
Ah, bro. Okay, I'm gonna do it. So, which one do I need to... You need to turn post-processing quality to low.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Match point.
Oh, okay, I did it. I'm so tired of this chat.
New ball active. New power weapon in the arena.
You try to play me, bro. What the heck was this? Ah! It slowed me down, dude.
They scored. Let's make the next one ours.
Football in play now. Avenger.
Teammate just picked up a ball. They scored. Don't let them pull ahead. Your teammate has a slip ball. Let's assist. They're up one. Let's respond. Teammate just picked up a ball. They scored. Don't
Man,
let them pull ahead.
you know how I feel? You know how I feel, dude?
New ball active.
You know how I feel right now?
Your teammate has a slip ball. Let's assist.
Payback. Avenger.
Okay. I missed 3 shots there.
Enemy team has 2 points.
It's so hard because sometimes I want to do a flick and he flick like have mouse acceleration or something.
We'll learn from this and come back stronger.
Like this poor guy, like 8 kills. He was sleeping, chat. Okay, let me do something, chat. Do something. Let's get serious, dude. Get serious because this is annoying me, chat. Alright, we're back. We're back, chat. Let's try again. Maybe I'm getting too old, that's all. Like, maybe it's just me getting old and I'm done with gaming, chat. Maybe that's what it is, chat. Maybe I just suck. It will be fine. We're all getting old, chat. It just have to learn the new game. Yeah, that's fair too. I feel like I missed too many shots, man. I see it. I'm like wiping the screen. Like, what is this? Ah, okay, firecracker, papa. Allez, ready. Say, give me the juice. Give me the juice! Okay, so we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna play Star Wars. Man, Star Wars is actually amazing, chat. Star Wars is like a banger, in my opinion. The game was dead at launch. Like, literally, it was in 2017, I think, 2019, I don't even remember. The game was dead because of the way they monetized. Oh, yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1.
Ah, yeah.
This is what we train for. On offense, plant the firecracker. On defense, defend your base.
Firecracker claimed.
What?
Firecracker taken. New power weapon in the arena.
This is how you spawn, huh? Not my best play there. No, not good either.
Firecracker claimed. Firecracker in the ground.
Fuse is lit. Secure the area.
Denied.
Fuse stick. We'll have to hustle to plant another one.
Firecracker taken. Firecracker in the ground.
Fuse is lit. Secure the area.
We are so back. Stay back. Denied.
Detonation failed. Let's try again.
Where does he come from, the guy?
Firecracker taken. Firecracker planted.
Detonation countdown underway. Keep enemy away from the objective.
Firecracker defused.
They defused it. We'll have to hustle to plant another one.
Oh, okay, start to come back. See?
Picked up. Firecracker in the ground.
Start to come back. Like, sometimes I feel like comfortable about me flicking or something.
Denied.
They defused it. We'll have to hustle to plant another one.
We're getting farm, chat.
Firecracker taken. 10 seconds left. Firecracker taken. Round lost.
GG. GG to them.
Lost that round, but no big deal. We got this.
I think our Max is losing because the other team must be on CashOS and he's on Nix. So why is the Battlefront 2 come back? We don't know.
5.
So
4,
the game,
3,
when it was launched, was a mess
1.
because of the monetization,
two.
right?
We're defense, defend our base, prevent the firecracker from going off.
No! No! Dude! Is it 4K? No, it's 1440p.
New power weapon in the arena. Firecracker in the ground.
Opposing team planted a firecracker. Try to defuse it.
Double kill. Payback.
No, they all died. Okay, we lost, dude.
Round lost.
Lock in. Give everything you've got to this round.
Two in front seems to be CS player from team. The corner movement was CS old school clan walk.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pay $1 for unlimited power, $1 for small hitbox.
Now turn to be offense again. Light it up.
Firecracker picked up.
Like, how much life do they have, bro?
Firecracker in the ground.
Detonation countdown underway. Keep enemy away from the objective.
Okay, my
New power weapon in the arena. Firecracker defused.
You have to hustle to plant another one.
Firecracker claimed.
yeah, sure. Have you spotted? No. I don't have the level to check if someone is hacking it. I just suck too much at this game. I don't know if you can tell, but like...
Firecracker taken. Firecracker in the ground.
And I have no sound again. This is odd. I think GLFOS want to try me, dude. I have to play without sound like a god. Yeah, I can't. It's really hard for me. Yeah, it's hard for me to defend, right?
Firecracker was stopped. We need to plant it
I had
again.
no sound, bro.
1 minute to go.
Like, I don't get it, bro.
Firecracker claimed.
I empty like a charger on the guy, it doesn't die, it return against me and one tap me like. I personally like, I feel really offended, dude.
Guardian Angel.
The heck are you doing here, you? The heck are you doing here?
Seconds left. Payback. Firecracker taken.
He two-tapped me with a shotgun.
Defeated.
This is two-tap, dude.
Not our best work. We'll call that one a
GG.
learning experience.
Play better without sound. Gonna have to try still on Casio OS after and see if the sound doesn't. By the way, SMG is bad. Yeah, maybe this is what it is, dude. Maybe my loadout is crap, right? That's why. I just wanted to make it better because I was kind of tired of playing with the same gun again, like same gun again and again. I wanted to mount it up, so maybe this is the reason why, right, chat? SMG feels like no power. So I'm gonna mount the gun to level 10.
This is Split Ball.
And
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1.
What we trained for. Bring split balls to your base and score while defending your base from enemies.
my fault there. That sucks because they are far.
Ball active.
My fault again here. I should engage right away, right?
New power weapon in the
When the
arena.
guys start to hit me, like punch me. No.
They scored. Don't let them pull ahead.
One HP, 1 HP, 1 HP. I just let them at 1 HP, all of them.
So back. New ball active.
They scored.
He died with
The
me.
next one ours. Opponent has 2 points. Watch out.
Fell in the hole.
They just picked up a ball.
Got detected here.
Your teammate just got a split ball.
Oh, that's ours, I guess.
They scored. Don't let them pull ahead.
New split ball in play now.
Your teammate just got a split ball.
Double kill.
Heads up. Opposing team has 2. We scored. Let's keep up the momentum.
Did I bring it back to them?
They scored.
Like, what am I doing,
Pull
chat?
ahead. Your teammate has a split ball. Let's assist. We're at 2. Let's get another.
New ball active.
And no sound. Shit. Like, is this a sketch or what? Experience is good. I just have weird bug. Like, I have the sound bug here. I don't know why. I don't know why, dude. I don't know how. I don't know what's happening there.
4, 3, 2, 1. Round 2. New split ball in play now.
Your teammate has a split ball. Let's assist.
That's one.
We're on the board. Let's get another.
New power weapon in the arena. Heating up.
The enemy just stole a ball from your base. They scored. Let's make the next one ours.
New split ball in play now.
Hey, bro.
Opponent has 2 points. Watch out.
I don't have ammo anymore. What I'm doing crazy, chat. I'm like, what the?
They just picked up a ball.
Double kill. That's one.
We scored. Let's keep up the momentum. They scored. Let's make the next one ours.
New ball active.
Teammate just picked up a ball. Opponent stole a split ball from us.
That's 2.
We're at 2, looking strong. They scored. Let's make the next one ours. Your teammate just got a split ball.
Avenger. Double kill. New ball active. 3 balls scored.
Okay, we are back at it, dude. I think my brain needs to be rewired in mode like we go and we own them. You know what I mean, chat? That's how I feel right now. Okay, so we are maxed. I don't get anything new out of it. I don't get anything new, chat.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So let's go back to the normal one.
Match point. Double kill. Ball active.
Okay, bad tech there.
They're up 1. Let's respond.
New power weapon in the arena. That's 1.
We're on the board. Let's get another.
Payback. Avenger. Double kill. New split ball in play now.
No, I don't think so.
They scored. Let's make the next one ours. Enemy just stole a ball from your base. Your teammate just got a split ball. They scored. Don't let them pull ahead.
Double kill.
We scored. Let's keep up the momentum.
2 in the hole.
We're at 2, looking strong.
ball active.
Your teammate just got a split ball.
Oh, nice play, Roser, nice play. Nice play.
Double kill. Payback. Avenger.
He reloaded twice there, I don't know why.
Score for the win. Victorious.
Way to go.
Sorry guys, so is it too fun to watch or is like it goes too fast? What do you think, chat? Is it nice or is it not nice? Okay, so just for science, dude. We know it's working. Okay? We know it's working. Now I want to see if I play on GLFOS with the same setting, if I have the same issue with the sound. It is already hot, chat. Games will go really quick. Yeah, that's what I love about this game. But I don't know if it's nice for you to watch. I'm trying to explain what's going on, but it's like, you know, what we could do, chat. What I propose you is like we do one more game. We do one more game on GLFOS just to see if the sound breaks too. Because this could be a bug for them, right? Telling them like, guys, the game launched, but there is some sound issue. It kind of resets. Is there some type of service that provokes that in the background related to Pipewire, right? I think it could be it. So I'm gonna try that. If it's the case, we're gonna continue the gaming experience on GLFOS. If not, we continue on this one. But you see the perf, they are like, I would say we are like 10%, right? Salut Denis. Dennis, can you do a recap? Distro good. That's the recap. Need some work. But install went well. So Proton GE a video problem on GLFOS I didn't have with the 9. So here it's different, right? I don't want to be this guy, but I don't think it's related to Proton. I think there is something else going on there. They're gonna have to figure it out. Okay, so let's see if it's up to date. Just gonna remove the mouse acceleration there because I just can't. Yes. Alright. Is this thing up to date? I don't think so. So we're gonna see. No, it's not. Okay, do we have to reboot? Not really. So it's fine. On paper we should because of System G, but it's fine. This won't impact our gaming experience. I believe. So let me tell you, I like this game. Okay, let's do this. Proton G27. No. No, 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 no. Not this one. Okay, okay, okay. No, no. Not the 27. Par où? Proton G. The bean. This one, yes. Okay, yes. Gonna install it real quick. This is the one we were using before, right, chat? So is it the separate system? I have, on my PC, I always have like 4 systems, chat. Okay, I have 4 systems all the time. So I have the SSD on which I do all the testing with you guys. I have a gaming distro CacheOS with just the game on it. I have Windows and I have my main system. So this is my gaming OS. Like there is nothing on it except the game, kind of. Proton G, that's the one. Send me that wallpaper. The heck is this? Okay. We were playing on GLF OS. I installed it on stream. So again, my main operating system, this one I don't share it very much because there is a lot of personal stuff on it. Windows. Second, CacheOS just for gaming, like this one here. And then the one I make all the tests. Okay, so settings are the same, everything is good. Okay, so let's play, chat. Let's see if we have the same sound issue. What we're gonna do though is like I'm gonna install Star Wars, dude. I don't know why I'm so much into it. So this game is not the type of game where you can chill, right? Like you need to be into it, you need to really focus on what's going on, positioning, analyzing of the portal, try to understand what's going on, right? This game is not a relaxing game. let's say it this way, okay, chat? Star Wars, for me, it's kind of fun, chill game. It's a big, like, 40 versus 40 players. You go in, you kill people, it's fun, you know. So I'm pretty sure some users, they will play it, like, super hardcore. But at the end of the day, for me, it's more like a Battlefield Star Wars, kind of. And the graphics are stunning, and it's working on Linux, dude. HD game, yeah, exactly. FaZe, you just went 62-14. So something I noticed, FaZe, when I don't know how many games you played, okay? But I played like I don't know, maybe like 5-6 hours in the game, and I made a mistake, dude. I have one of my buddies. He saw my name when I was doing test on Linux. And he sent me a message on Discord. He was like, bro, like, come, like, was it you? And I'm like, yeah, it's me. And I was like, oh, let's play together. But I think he has, like, I don't know how many hours he has in it, but he had a lot of hours. And since I played with him in the group, my games, they don't look the same anymore. I'm playing with people that are just insane. So I think there is some type of halo within the game. Because when I started to play, I was just like destroying everyone.
Firecracker.
You are level 19.
5.
I don't know what level I'm at.
3.
I think there is a halo system just in it.
1. Round 1.
Like the stomping stop.
This is your moment. Don't waste it. Switch between planting the firecracker or defending your base.
The stomping stop, dude.
New power weapon in the arena. Firecracker in the ground.
Opposing team planted a firecracker. Try to defuse it.
Ah, I didn't play well, man.
Double kill.
They're gonna get it.
Avenger. Firecracker defused. Double kill. Firecracker planted.
They just lit the
Hey,
firecracker. Clock is ticking to defuse it.
Heating up.
Come on.
Firecracker defused. One minute to go.
Aim for the head? Yeah, maybe. I'm struggling, chat. I won't lie to you, like I'm...
Avenger. Double kill. 10 seconds. Heating up. Double kill. Round 1.
You won the round. Nice work.
Okay, so it start, huh? Can you show the FPS number? It's like 200 something, chat. Let me finish that and I launch Mango Head, okay? I told you already, this performance here is gonna be plus 5% at least,
4,
right?
3, 2, 1. Round 2.
We're on the offensive. We have to plant the firecracker.
Firecracker picked up. Avenger.
Bad positioning here. I don't have to go there. I don't know why I'm getting there,
Firecracker
dude.
is planted. Light it up. Don't let them near it.
New power weapon in the arena. Payback.
Oh. Yes, you can rebind keys. So if you want to rebind key, Fizzy, you go there and you say customize control, and then you rebind. I did rebind some stuff.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Match point.
We're on defense again.
Kickoff. Avenger. Double kill. Guardian Angel. New power weapon in the arena. Payback.
Whoa! The heck?
1 minute remaining. Firecracker in the ground.
They just lit a firecracker. Clock is ticking to defuse it.
Firecracker defused. Payback. Seconds left.
Man, in terms of kill, I think I'm doing a good job there.
You win.
Let's go.
Game, set, match. You just put on a highlight reel.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you the FPS chat. Also, you have to think that the kernel on GLF OS is the old one versus this one, right? Because we are testing the stable version, right, chat? In terms of performance, you could have Nobara is doing a great job. PKOS is doing a great job when you talk of like pure performance, right? Anything with a good scheduler within the kernel, or you know, a TKG kernel or a CacheOS kernel would be solid. You need the latest driver, you need the latest kernel. This is the big story, right? Do you switch to LATVG? No, I just let everything like that, Fizzy. But I'm saying, you know, in general, I couldn't tell, I couldn't have like better FPS with LATVG, Fizzy. To me, the same experience. So I need to claim that too. Okay, same player play again. Like that, you're gonna see the FPS. We have no sound issue, huh, chat? There is something going on, so I'm gonna write it. I think there is something related to the sound. Sound stop randomly. It didn't happen to me on Nobara, did not happen to me on CacheOS. Am I using Pulse Audio? No, I'm using Pipewire. like the basic, like Pipewire without Pulse Audio. Oh no, I don't want to have the headache of like mixing sound stuff, right? Pipewire all the way.
Domination.
But I'm wondering, maybe they use Pulse Audio.
2, 1. Round 1.
This is your moment. Don't waste it. Capture and defend the zones to score. Let's dominate them.
Be secured.
We're scoring in 2 zones.
What the?
Goes into the lead. Opponent is taking B.
A secured. B lost. New power weapon in the arena.
Opponent just got a zone.
C lost. B secured.
We've got 2 zones. We're taking C. Opponent is taking
Sometimes I feel like... I'm wondering if Mango Herd is also like playing on that. Without Mango Herd, I think the game ran a little bit better.
Opponent is taking A.
I don't know if it's Mango Herd, this is my brain.
Opponent is taking B.
B lost. A secured.
We're scoring in 2 zones. Opponent just got a zone. We're taking B. Opponent is taking A.
A lost.
We've got 2 zones.
Darn, I missed him.
A secured.
We've got 3 zones.
B lost.
Opponent is taking B. Opponent
See
is
that?
taking B.
It's not me like...
We're approaching the score.
But
limit.
I am
Let's
bad.
finish
But I think the animation on my screen is not
Round
not
1.
great.
You won the round. Nice work.
The sound thing is difficult to say. A friend has no sound in Windows on some recent game. Another where drop out is EFG. Some versions were very bugged. Yeah, but like if we look at... Okay, so I agree with you. But if we focus on one game, and you see like by switching distro, one is working, the other is not working.
Round 2. Kickoff. Double kill.
Everybody's doing something there.
Opponent is taking B. We're taking A. They're in the lead. Let's get it back.
Okay.
Opponent is taking B. Enemy is scoring in 2 zones. We're taking C.
New power weapon in the arena. Payback.
We just got a zone.
C secured.
We've got 2
I'm
zones.
getting low on chat on this one.
C lost.
Opponent just got a zone. We're scoring in 2 zones. Opponent is taking A.
Payback.
Opponent is taking A.
C secured.
We've got 3 zones. We're ahead now. Keep up the pace.
How do I miss that?
Opponent just got a zone. Opponent is taking C.
C lost.
Someone on B. Can I get...
Enemy
Nah, I
is
can't.
scoring in 2 zones. We're taking B.
Double kill. B secured.
We've got 2 zones.
Again, here, I should hit him. I should punch the guy, you see? Before I lose the fight here.
We're taking C.
secured.
We're scoring in 3 zones.
B lost.
Opponent is taking C. Opponent just got a zone.
What?
Enemy is scoring in 2 zones. We're taking C.
Double kill.
Opponent is taking
A lost. B secured.
A. Scoring on 1 zone. We're almost there. You got this.
C secured.
We're scoring in 2 zones.
Round 1.
Had
Right,
0.1 to your
execution. 1 more round to bring it home.
first name, last name. Have a good one, buddy. Thanks for watching. Think I'm a little bit too slow on the sounds.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Match point.
Opponent is taking C. Opponent is taking B. Opponent just got a zone. We just got a zone.
New power weapon in the arena. B secured.
We've
The
got
heck
2
was that?
zones. We pulled into the lead.
Guardian Angel.
Opponent is taking B.
Guardian Angel.
Scoring in 3 zones. Opponent is taking B.
B lost.
Can take-
Phantom Menace.
Truth is, I can take this
Payback.
fight, dude.
Enemy is scoring in 1 zone. We're taking B. Opponent is taking C.
B secured. C lost.
Opponent is taking C.
C secured.
We've got 3 zones. Opponent is taking B.
A lost.
Opponent is taking A.
Linus is
Opponent
playing with
just
us.
got a zone. We're taking A. We're approaching the score limit. Let's finish strong.
Victorious.
Brilliant performance. That's how you do it. Nice work.
Okay, one more. One more. One more, chat. Salut Saf, how are you doing, dude? It feels better on this one. But we're gonna have to really judge the distro, right? We're gonna have to really judge the distro when we have the rolling release. And you know, when it's actually pushed in normal. You know, in final version, because right now they're still into like this is when you know it's good, just one more game. Yes. Yeah, your aim is better, you're not trading. Yeah, that's a good point, dude. That's a good point. I've been trading a lot behind, huh? Man, you know what? I play with a wired mouse like that. This one. I love the shape. I have the non-wired one, but I don't know, like, I'm used to that. When I was playing PUBG and Tarkov, everybody was moving to wireless mouse, but I was like, man, I just love this mouse so much. Change the cable, change the feet. Perfect size for my hand, perfect grip. It's plastic, not magnesium. I have the same one in magnesium, but it's like, it's not the same feeling. I don't know how to explain, chat. Let me show you. That's the other one, like the fancy one.
Firecracker.
But
5, 4.
I don't know, man. I love this one so much.
2, 1. Round 1.
Let's bring home the victory.
Where do they...
Switch between planting the firecracker or defending your base.
Firecracker taken.
Cover! No, not cover, dude.
Firecracker claimed. New power weapon in the arena.
Boom!
Firecracker planted.
Use this lit to secure the area.
Bad play there. From me. The heck, dude?
Defuse.
We'll have to hustle to plant another one.
So bad. Firecracker claimed.
Need
1
to...
minute remaining.
Is it Corsair? No, it's Final Mouse.
Firecracker claimed. Firecracker in the ground.
Firecracker planted. Let's hold the zone.
Firecracker defused.
They defused the firecracker. Regroup and plant again.
Like what?
Firecracker taken. 10 seconds left. Firecracker in the ground.
Firecracker in place. Don't let the enemy defuse it.
Round lost.
What?
We lost that round, but we're still in it.
You will be insane in Helldiver 2? Man, you really want me to go into this game, huh? Doing well, this is my first time hearing about this distro. Yes, so it's not released yet, okay? So it's gonna be released in beta the 4th of June. I think they're gonna have the rolling release also.
3, 2, 1. Round 2.
We're on defense this round. Stop the firecracker.
Firecracker in the ground.
Enemy team just lit a firecracker. Go defuse it.
New power weapon in the arena.
I don't know if you noticed. So this is odd, okay? I'm not saying this guy is cheating, but this is really odd. Because he took the line exactly when he needed to, right?
That was close.
Yeah, you see that? It's really... Listen, brother, it's really, really hard.
Round lost.
Lock it.
This was odd, like in terms of
This
like
round.
placement, I was really, really odd. Anyways.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Match point.
We're on offense again.
Firecracker taken. Firecracker in the ground.
Firecracker in play. Don't let the enemy defuse it.
Double kill. New power weapon in the arena. Denied.
They
Was it
stopped
defusing?
Let's hurry up and plant it again.
Firecracker taken.
Oh, I wasted you, Chad. Like, what is this?
Firecracker planted.
Detonation countdown underway. Keep enemy away from the objective.
Firecracker defused.
We'll have to hustle the
I don't
plant
know what
another
happened there, chat. I went there, I got a bomb,
1
there was
minute
something on the ground, I
remaining.
guess.
Firecracker taken. Firecracker in the ground.
Fuse is lit. Secure the area.
Is this serious?
Denied.
They defused it. We'll have
He-
to hustle to plant another one.
He re-healed like so fast. Good for him, I guess, but like...
Firecracker claimed. Ten seconds left. Firecracker in the ground.
GG.
Detonation countdown underway. Keep enemy away from the objective.
Payback. Avenger. Firecracker defused.
They stopped it. Let's hurry up and plant it again.
Game over.
GG.
Pain now, power later.
How old is
Turn
that
this loss
mouse?
into motivation.
Man, 5 years, I think. Five years, dude. Allez, one more, chat. One more and then we switch. So, like, when you talk about Helldiver, guys, Helldiver is mainly PvE, right? There is almost no PvE. Sorry, no PvP. Oh my gosh. Like. So let me rephrase. Helldiver 2 is mainly PvE, right? It's not PvP. $20 game, 40 kill. Yes, PvE. Okay. Okay, we have a Twitch TVer in the chat. Capture the zone. Distro Cache OS this time. So we are on GLF OS. We tried it and then I switched. I think there is some type of sound issue right now on the stable version. They're gonna have to work at it.
Domination. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 1.
Show what you got. Smash it. Capture and defend the zones to score. Let's dominate them.
Double kill.
Enemy is scoring in 2 zones. They're pulling ahead, trying to stop them. We're taking A. Opponent taking C.
C lost. Beating up.
We just got a zone. Opponent is taking A.
B secured. A lost.
Enemy is scoring in 1 zone. Enemy is scoring in 2 zones. We're taking C. We're taking A.
B lost. Avenger.
Enemy is scoring in 2 zones. Opponent is taking A. We're taking B. Opponent is taking A.
B secured.
We just got a zone. Enemy is scoring in 2 zones. We're taking C. Taking B.
Heating up.
Opponent is taking B.
B lost.
Opponent is taking C. Enemy is scoring in 1 zone. We got 2 zones.
Haha, nice shot, man. Those guys they play well,
Opponent is
chat.
taking A.
A lost. B secured.
We're scoring in 2
They play
zones.
well. Like you can see, like there is
Opponent is taking B.
there is some seriousness, just chat.
A secured. B lost.
Opponent is taking C. Enemy is scoring in 1 zone. Enemy is scoring in 2 zones. We're taking C. We're taking B.
So here I need.
Taking A.
You see, before I start
C
shooting him,
secured.
I need to deactivate.
Opponent is taking B.
B secured. A secured.
We've got 3 zones.
Missed
We're
too many
ahead
shots.
now. Keep up the pace. Opponent is taking C.
B lost.
Opponent is taking A.
Payback.
Victory is close. Don't back down. Enemy is scoring in 1 zone.
You won the round.
You won the round. Nice work.
I just got my 5090 Astral. Let's see if it doesn't kill my PC. Congrats on your purchase, buddy. I was playing the game on semi-high difficulty last night. At super fun time, it's pure chaos. You come out of a fart like I dipped into a bucket of red-green pants. Ready?
2, 1. Round 2. Be secured.
We're scoring in 2 zones.
Ah!
We're
I did it
pulling
this time,
ahead.
chat!
Keep it up.
Double kill. Be lost.
See?
Enemy is scoring in 2 zones.
When I do what I say.
Power weapon in the arena.
We're taking lead. We're taking A. Opponent is taking A.
Heating up.
Enemy is scoring in 2 zones. They're in the lead. Let's get it back.
What the heck was this?
We're taking A. We're taking A. Opponent is taking A.
Double kill.
We've got 2 zones. Opponent is taking C. Opponent is taking A.
Nice shot, whoa.
C secured.
We're scoring in 2 zones. Opponent is taking A. Enemy scoring in 2 zones.
I have a good team, bro.
Opponent is taking A.
Nice
Opponent
shot.
is taking C. We've got 2 zones. Opponent is taking A.
C lost.
Enemy
I
is
froze there,
scoring
dude.
in 2 zones. Opponent is taking A.
A lost.
We're scoring on 1 zone.
Double kill.
Opponent is taking A.
B secured.
We're scoring in 2 zones. Opponent is taking A. We pulled into the lead.
B lost.
Opponent is taking A. We've got 2 zones. Opponent just got a zone.
Oh!
They're almost there. You got this.
Moral of the
A
story,
lost.
stay cover, dude.
We're taking B.
But we win still.
You won the round.
Another round win. But we're not done yet. Let's focus.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Match point.
No.
Opponent is taking B.
No.
We're taking A. Enemy is scoring in 2 zones. They're in the lead. Get it back.
Whoa.
We're scoring in 2 zones. We're ahead now. Keep up the pace. Enemy is scoring in 2 zones.
B secured.
We've got 2 zones.
Guardian Angel.
We are taking C. Opponent is taking A.
A lost. C secured.
We've got 2 zones. Opponent just got a zone.
2v1. I was a little bit too much there for me, chat.
Enemy is scoring in 2 zones. Opponent is taking C.
No!
We're taking B.
C lost.
Enemy is scoring in 3 zones. They're in the lead. Let's get it back. We're taking B.
No!
We're taking A.
Problem,
We're
chat.
taking B.
A secured.
B secure.
Just got us out.
B secured.
We're scoring in 2 zones. We're taking C. Opponent is taking A.
Payback. An angel.
We're taking C. Opponent is taking B.
C secured.
We're scoring on 1 zone. We're taking B. We're taking A.
Double kill. Payback. B secured.
We're scoring in 2 zones. We're scoring in 3 zones. Opponent is taking C.
Heating up.
We pulled into the lead. Opponent is taking A. Nearing 4 threshold. Keep it up.
Victorious.
And that's a W. Oh, I hope somebody clipped that.
Fizzy, have a good one, buddy. That was good, huh? I like this game, chat. I like this game. Ah, Bobby! Bobby! Okay. So, yeah, I think we have... I won't make a little review, like a little like feedback on the whole distro chat, okay? Because I think it's unfair. It's still alpha. I think it will be unfair, dude. Is that Splitgate 2? Yes, it is. So I guess we got some... get 25 triple kill. 1.7% of players have this achievement. Give me 1 second, chat. I need to check something. One, two. Guys, you see me? Okay, guys, so I think I'm gonna have to stop now, chat. I have something going on, and I need to stop the stream, so I'm really sorry about that, okay, chat? But we did make the test for GLF OS. It's still in beta. I think, in my opinion, it's still not ready to be pushed. I need a little bit... You know, need to work a little bit on it. I would say first thing is related to the fact that we couldn't launch native game, especially Shadow of the Tomb Raider, Second one was related to the fact like I had sound issue. In terms of performance, like it's old kernel, so I can't really judge, but we are like 5% under what something like CacheOS will bring. Not bad, but it is a fact. So yeah, otherwise like installation was good. I like the little applications I made. Like there is definitively like good thing going on. We'll be testing it. I think we're gonna have to give it a try for the rolling release. When it's a little bit more solid, I might be communicating a little bit more about it. I really advise you to, you know, if you want, try it. But be careful, okay? Because again, like I don't think it's ready, at least for my testing. But it will be great for them, you know, to have feedback. And if you are into this thing, like if you want to participate to the project, I think it will be pretty fun. Yeah, I have to go, chat. I'm really sorry about that. We'll be back on Wednesday live. And what's going to happen, guys, what's going to happen is tomorrow there is a video on Star Wars Battlefront II. I already advise you to watch it. It's going to be released tomorrow morning. And it's it's kind of me like playing the game a little bit and share my thoughts and showing you how to install the game. It's super fast. It's super easy, sorry. And yeah, the game is actually really fun. So maybe we're going to do a full stream on Star Wars Battlefront 2 because I think it's one of those games. Yeah, that's it. That's all, chat. Okay. Do you think like more realistic looking graphic in Battle Royale, COD, Warzone, PUBG, and fantasy like this game? What do I like? I don't really care. I like games that feels good, right? I think I love PUBG because PUBG was feeling good. I don't care about the environment or whatever. I like when the purpose of the game is interesting, like I have fun. I like Splitgate really much right now. Number 2, because it kind of like revived me my arena type of shooter. And you really have to be like, you know, like in a HD mode, like following and playing the game really hardcore. I love doing that. It kind of like push me in places where I've not been for a long time. But it's the same for example, Battlefront. You see, Battlefront, I like the big mess, Battlefield style. I love that, chat. And the grindy aspect of it, I think it's fun. So I don't really have, you know, preference towards that. It's more like related to the gaming experience itself rather than the universe. Hope you answer your question, madman. Guys, I'm out. Okay, thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you had some fun. It was GLF OS for you guys. And a little bit of Splitgate. I am out. Have a great weekend, by the way. And yes, new video getting pushed tomorrow. Please leave a comment, a like, you know, the usual. Have a great weekend, guys. Thanks again for watching. You guys are the best. Thanks for everybody also like supporting the chat, the channel financially. Much appreciated. See you in the next one. Bisous, bisous.